This is the final part of my dental experience in Vietnam. It was 2010 when I first got composite veneers. After a few years, it became really discolored. I changed the composites twice and decided to get the porcelain one. It really looked better, but it was quite fragile. A front veneer chipped when I was biting down a piece of bread. It's hard to match the shade of one veneer with the others. No one tells you this, but it's actually expensive to maintain veneers. Let my experience be a lesson to you. Wag nang gagalawin pag walang sira.
But anyway, nandyan na. I was searching for a clinic in Manila to get my crowns done.
I also had the molar na kailangan din ng RCT. In the Philippines, the clinics quoted me 150 to 200k for the procedures that I needed.
So I inquired with a clinic in Vietnam and got quoted $550 for 5 German zirconium crowns and the root canal treatment. So I decided to go to Vietnam to get everything done. All-in facility na siya. Lahat ng mga x-rays at lab na gawaan ng mga crowns nandun na. May revisions man na need, magagawa there and then. In 2 days tapos na. I'm not ashamed to recommend this and I'm highly satisfied.